Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix your Honda CRV side mirror. First, carefully assess the damage to determine if you need to replace just the glass or the entire assembly. Next, gather your tools, which typically include a Phillips head screwdriver, a trim removal tool, and the replacement mirror part. Always ensure your vehicle is turned off and the parking brake is set before you begin any work to prevent accidental movement or electrical issues. Now, let's get to removing the old mirror. You'll need to gently pry off the interior door panel trim, usually near the mirror, to expose the mounting screws. Use your trim removal tool to avoid scratching the paint. Once the trim is off, locate and unscrew the 3 or 4 mounting bolts that secure the mirror assembly to the door frame. Finally, carefully disconnect any electrical connectors for power adjustments or heating elements before completely removing the damaged mirror. With the old mirror removed, installing the new one is straightforward. First, carefully connect the new mirror's electrical wires to the vehicle's existing harness, ensuring a snug fit. Then, align the new mirror assembly with the mounting holes on the door frame. Once aligned, secure the mirror firmly using the original 3 or 4 mounting bolts. Double-check that all connections are tight and the mirror feels stable before proceeding. Before you finish up, it's crucial to perform some final checks. Turn on your vehicle and test all the mirror's functions, including power adjustments and any heating elements, to ensure everything works correctly. Once confirmed, carefully reattach the interior door panel trim, making sure it snaps securely into place. For an enhanced reading experience, check out the new Kindle Paperwhite. You can find a link to it, along with other great deals, in the description below. Enjoy your newly fixed Honda CRV side mirror.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.